अगर हम इन पांचों मोडालिटीज की बात करते हैं, ओल्फैक्टरी और गस्टेटरी, तो ये दोनों बहुत लेटेंट हो जाते हैं, बहुत कम यूज में आते हैं। पर मैक्सिमम लोग जो यूज करते हैं वो है वी, ए और के, विजुअल, ऑडिटरी, किनेस्थेटिक। विजुअल क्या है? व्हेन वी आर एबल टू सी थिंग्स, सी देम प्रॉपरली, राइट? तो हमें काफी चीजें, जैसे मूवीज हो गई, या लाइक व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग हियर, आई प्रेफर सीइंग यू गाइस हियर सो दैट आई अंडरस्टैंड whether I am able to communicate well with you or not, right? So that's the visual, when I'm utilizing my eyes to communicate well and to understand where my communication is heading towards, right? So similarly, for that we have good stuff onto the internet like YouTube ho gaya, Netflix ho gaya, and blah blah blah, right? Auditory ke liye we have podcast. Auditory is something when we are using our sense of hearing. So if I'm using my ears to listen to some music or to listen to what the other people are saying, like you guys maybe, even lying down on your bed and closing your eyes, then still you are listening to me with a very special experience of the earphones into your ears plugged in. So it becomes really intimate and close to you. That's where the podcast comes in. Okay. The third is the kinesthetic. Kinesthetic people are those who love, these are very touchy people. They are like, you may have some friends who would like to touch you always. That's kinesthetic. They are the feeling type of people. Okay. So that we understand in NLP. So there are fair degree of people who are visual and auditory. Of course, kinesthetic is there, which we utilize. If we talk about the marketing thing, we can utilize the same into the kind of products that the media is sharing. Like, even for a soap ad, they will put a baby inside saying, oh, I want this soap only. That's a feeling. You are touching the feeling of the other person. Okay. So they would like to touch that baby and to hold that baby. There are so many people who would say, oh, your child is looking so delicious. The child is looking so delicious. Are you going to eat that child? No. But the language of a gustatory person is someone who is good at taste, but is delicious, right? For visuals, it is look here, see, watch me, or show me. That's a visual talking to you. Auditory would say, suno na, can you hear me? Am I audible to you? These are the words of auditory people, okay? So from here, we tap in to the podcast. What is a podcast? Nothing but your own personalized radio channel. So kind of auditory files available freely onto a number of apps like Spotify, Apple, Castbox, and so on and so forth. There are many apps for that. Okay. So just like music, you listen, you plug in the music. Similarly, we have audio files for various topics. That's a podcast. If I'm clear, just give me a thumbs up. I guess that is allowed. Yeah. I'm clear till here. Perfect. Thank you. All right. So you understood the basics of podcast. What is a podcast? An audio file which can be downloaded and kept safe with you. You can listen to it even when the internet is not there. You can not download and you utilize it via the internet. That's amazing work. So there are a number of podcasts that are available nowadays. But yes, why podcast? Because first thing, as I said, the auditory people will utilize it to the maximum. And imagine, you are someone who is being listened over and over again, very especially when the other person is going to sleep. So you can understand, if you understand the human mind, if someone is listening to you over and over again, you are a great influencer, a great motivator. Right? And when they listen to you time and again, like you guys, if you listen to one song over and over again, what happens to you? You are into that song. That song is there on your mind continuously, even if you are not listening to it now. So what is happening is critical filter between your conscious mind and the subconscious mind is getting broken. And whatever now in this phase you are suggesting is directly going to the subconscious mind of the person. And subconscious mind of the person is 6,000 times more powerful, 88 to 90%. Whatever you are hearing or listening to me at this moment is going to your conscious mind. which is just 10 to 12%. At present, what is happening is conscious mind. But if you listen to my podcast, morning, evening, afternoon, whenever you find time, or in the night, then whatever I'm going to tell you is going to go deep down in your subconscious mind, and I have the opportunity to make an impact onto your life. So in that zone, when the critical filter, the inhibitory processes are not active, it becomes a good chance for me to say what I have to say to the audience, right? And yes, the audience get an intimate experience with you. At this moment, whatever you will even sell, it becomes easy. Okay? Why podcast? You know, if you watch YouTube, then you need to have the constant focus onto YouTube, and there are millions of you can say pixels that are shifting and changing. The audience need your constant focus on the YouTube channel, or to any other you can say Netflix or Amazon or any other experience. They want to have the complete focus here. But your podcast is something which is just auditory. Like I can be doing something else, like I can be in the kitchen, I can be cutting the veggies, or I can be doing my maths homework, or I can do some other accounts work, and yet people can listen to my voice. They just have to plug the earphones in. So it doesn't, disrupts your other activities. Like if you're driving, people can easily listen to the podcast and they can utilize that time. In a survey, it was found that in US, the average commutation time is at least 25 to 40 minutes. What will the audience do in this time? They can't, when they are moving, they can't focus really onto the books. They can't focus really onto the laptops. They can't really focus upon whatever is moving in the screen. They would prefer the podcast, because now here they have to just plug into the earphones, and listen to whatever the person is saying. Okay, so that time can be utilized. So you have ample time. In our country, India also, I'm not talking about just Ajmer. Even from Ajmer to Jaipur, if you have to drive, what can you do? Plug into a good podcast that you like, and then have a ride. Yes, so you can actually utilize that time. From Delhi, one place to another place takes good 1.5 hours. What are you going to do? Either you listen to the blabber of the radio people, or you sign into your own podcast, which is advertisement free, and then listen to the person. Okay? So when I talk about my podcast is about psychology. Okay, so even the basics of psychology can be cleared when you are driving, when you are sitting in a car, or you are in a train or in a bus. It becomes really easy. You're talking to someone else, and then one earphone is here. Okay, so it's that easy. You don't need you don't need to dress up for making a podcast. You can be sitting in your bed, creating your own podcast, and the people the other end, they are thinking, oh, you're very good. And yes, you are. You don't need to do that extra makeup also. Okay, like even for getting ready, or to teach you guys about one simple webinar on podcast, I had to get ready first, because I know my presentation would matter, how I would look would matter, because the visual part is utilized here. But for my podcast, I don't even need to take a bath. I can be sitting in my bed, create the podcast, and then there it goes. Okay, and once it is there forever. It's not like I'm taking it down. So, today in this webinar, I guess 26 people are here, including me. So 26 people are listening to me, which means it has less of audience. If I am recording it and putting it onto YouTube, little more of audience. If I am just taking its audio and putting it onto my podcast, which is already existing, now this thing gets a good audience span of 5,000 to 8,000 people. Same thing, 8,000 people can hear me. I don't need the exact time, same time when I'm there available. They can listen to me anytime, any place, with the comfort of their own, places. They can be in their bed, they can be standing, they can be sitting, doing whatever they want to. That's the flexibility the podcast gives you. Okay. So what do you need for a podcast? See, one thing is clear here. the auditory senses are being utilized, right? So you need a very good voice, you need good voice modulations, and most importantly, you need a proper content. If your content has great value, then your podcast is going to be a hit. If it is like a normal podcast, आइए आज हम बात कर रहे हैं सब्जी कैसे बनानी है, everybody is doing that, right? For me, why my podcast grew, in April I started making my podcast. Of course, I needed 1 year to think over it and plan it, and then finally quarantine happened, and then I started my recording my podcast. Why my podcast grew was I was already into the field of psychology, and I created a podcast based upon psychology lessons or the lectures. So I knew I already have an authority over this subject, so it will grow quicker, right? So in this duration, when there is no proper class happening, you can't go to coaching centers, and there is a lot of demand of psychology, this podcast grew. And today, I mean, when Renuka ma'am or sir contacted me, I just had 5,000 downloads. From that duration to today, I got 1,000 more downloads. So now my podcast is doing 6,000 audience. Perfect for me. And it will keep on growing because in the end, I'm adding on call to action. If you like my podcast, please share it with your friends and family. Probably, when these times are there, listening to my simple podcast, we can touch so many lives. Yeah, so that is the idea. It's not like you have to, ask your people to get ready and listen to my lecture, or they are there, the time is right or not. All those dramas are cancelled now. ठीक है? So अब चाहिए क्या? हमें content चाहिए. हम किस पे काम कर रहे हैं? A great idea, some outstanding idea, right? And then you need, if you want to hit and try and see, trial and error करके देखना है, तो हमारे पास में फ्री के पॉडकास्ट मेकर्स होते हैं, जैसे एंकर हो गया. एंकर ऐप को डाउनलोड करो एंड यू वुड नो एग्जैक्टली कब क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. So it's like a free thing. And then if you want to get into really professional work or a reputed work, or you want to do something of standard, then we have Podbean, we have Blueberry, we have Simplycast, and all those podcasts that host your podcast. These hosting services are there. Okay, so you just check first. Planning is most important. If you're simply landing up into making podcasts, this may not be so effective for you. Okay, but if you have a proper planning about what you're going to do, how you're going to do, will it influence the audience, will it not influence the audience, do proper planning. Even in principles of management, the first book or first paper of management, we understand the first chapter is planning. So that's most important. Okay, if you want to get into making podcasts, planning is important. Second, your content is important. Third, your voice is important. And fourth, how you are presenting it to the world. What is your designing, what is your icon for podcast, where you are pitching it in, who will be your listeners, who will be your audience, how will you promote it, all that needs to be planned. Whether you want to do a free podcast, or you want to get into paid podcast, do you want to start it all on your own, free services wala, or you want a professional coach. So having a coach for me was a benefit, an edge on. Why? Because this person has already gauged the waters. He knows the ABC of podcast. He understands what will sell off, what will not. So